Yeah, look at him. A nice van. Okay, so the adventure starts today. Teacher Rain, what do you have to say?
Hey, yeah, day one. Exciting stuff is about to happen, man. We didn't have breakfast yet, but it's okay. Following us, guys. This is our ride to the place, right?
I guess so.
Yeah, I look the part. I'm ready to climb some mountains. Check it out. Don't be a G.
Okay, let's get our journey started today.
Hey guys, I just wanted to share this. Everywhere you go, the basic elevator and transportation type commute, like old music, is getting cheap.
Yeah, so right now I'm trying to phone the railway station to confirm if we need to show the test results or just to get tested, and it takes a long time, as you can see.
Yeah.
I've been holding for at least 30 seconds. That's a long time. When we arrived, we were greeted in a very unique way.
Thank you.
远方的朋友，一路辛苦，请你喝一杯下马酒。草原就是你的家，来尝尝香甜的美酒。
Okay, that's as far as I go. No, babe, that's as far as I go. I tried. Thank you so much.
Hey, nere se tanda hey, et ke jiberia hoy. Burgo da trava hoy do le wallan har ar khadaban. Buk da tanda ne war hoy do le dokshin har ar khadaban. Ay samanda say. Ile se tanda say. Et ke jiberia hoy. Let's say
Whoa. Another one.
喝3
No,
个
no,
行
no,
吗？
no, no, no.
喝3个行吗？好，谢谢，欢迎欢迎。Welcome to Chifeng. Welcome to Chifeng.
You can see him. We'll get closer now. He's on a bike, and here he comes. Here comes the horse. Yeah, look at him. Peace. We capped off the night with a very special dinner and some authentic Mongolian songs. The showers. The showers are extremely nice, and of course you have lovely hot water. And nice, you have the over there is the heat light. So if you feel cold, you just turn it on, and then you will not feel cold anymore. This is where we took a shower last night. Just so beautiful. And when you walk out, you see all of these beautiful hills over here, and the yurts. So what is a yurt? A yurt is like a house. So Inner Mongolians, they usually build these yurts with felt and wood, and then they wood, and then they move around, take them down, and travel like that. So they normally use it in Siberia, Mongolia, Turkey, and a few other places. And I can see why it is so nice. Just look how beautiful it is. This is really something special.
一点点是吧？你说的啊。
对，
谢谢。
谢谢你，哥哥弟弟。
Smile for the camera, Pato. So this is Pato. Pato is the horse that I'm riding on the strip. Just look at how beautiful he is, huh? Oh boy. And he definitely likes being rubbed. Yesterday, when we were sitting after riding for a while, he started to eat my hair. I don't know why, maybe he thinks it's grass too, but just look at him, he's beautiful, huh? Pato. He didn't have a name, so I named him Pato. What a beautiful boy.
Hello, Mustang. Tell them your story. He's from Africa. He's a black horse, and his hair is afro, like my hair. Yes, we were meant to be together, and he's a free spirit, really. You know, he follows only when need be, but he's got his own world, his free world, you know. He wants to get out of line, and he's a good horse, eh? He's a good horse, yeah. Okay, he's done with me. Good boy. Look at his hair. Got a nice afro here, Yeah, and he runs fast, eh? Not that I know, I was told this because I'm not gonna. I keep it here. Yes. Keep it slow, keep it slow.
And that is the story.
And that is the story of Mustang. Okay. Mustang, I'm walking away. I'm walking away. Ni hao. OG. What Shima means what is your name again?
Sainu.
Mayo Sainu. Means
Mininder Argada.
Meniner?
Mininder Argada.
Ah, wow, you see? Meniner are. I call him OG.
Pato, I have a surprise for you. I will let you choose which ones you want. Which ones you want? You want these ones? Yeah, nice. Huh? Like them? Oh, definitely. It's good, huh? Very nice. Which one you want? The flowers? Yeah, good choice. You want some too? Hmm? Ah, there we go.
Can you eat this one for me, please? Don't be so mad. Come, eat. I say eat. I say eat. Yes, eat. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
He's almost like my
Open.
son.
Open. Come on, you can do it.
You're almost there.
Yes.
You're almost there.
Yes, open, open. Oucha, ma, tu eh. Oucha.
Having hooves here, then they can't have cows, sheep, horses.
Yes,
because
of
the
course,
hooves will
of
eat
course.
them.
Then they can't farm, yes.
But recently, I keep hearing something.
Like, oh, oh.
So you think the wolves are back?
I really think there are some wolves here, but they keep telling me no. So,
Maybe some dogs.
I mean,
Maybe it's dogs.
but we don't have dogs here.
Oh.
I mean, the horses are still here, so maybe they're not wolves after all.
Or
Nothing has
foxes.
been eaten.
Foxes?
What does the fox say?
It makes
Woof, woof, woof.
a fox. It sounds like it's been strangled. I think.
You know the song, right?
Which
What
one?
does the fox say?
It's a song. It's a
Oh,
song.
really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that was a song.
Let me YouTube it for you.
哎，推脚，哎，厉害厉害，厉害厉害厉害，
不是，
哎呦呦呦，哎呦，厉害厉害，两个猛哎，厉害厉害，来，再踢一脚，哎呦，
Marcel, strong boy.
你睡一觉，哈哈哈哈。来摔，
Sure. Okay.
来咱俩摔。
Come on, you can try. Oh, yay!
Okay, Mongolian fighting ritual. Who will be on the ground first? Who will be on the ground first? Woo! Get it! Get it! Hey!
Yeah, yeah. 那天
Good job, guys.
你上去，挺厉害呀。
it's round 2 with the master, with the chief.
Photographer, I'm here.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Okay, with the master now.
鱼可长了。
Quick, fast.
Yeah.
This is actually really interesting to see men always fighting in every culture, you know. Why? Check from this angle. Get it. Get it. Get it. Is lekker lang, gebruik je advantage. Eet hem. Stamakin, hey! Whoa! Whoa! Nice, together. It was a tie, right? I don't understand.
还会摔跤呀？厉害厉害厉害！还会摔跤呢。
All right, done.
When I fell down, I hit my teeth against his head.
Oh no.
没事吧？
Let's see.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ah, it's alright, it's alright. It's African teeth. African teeth are normally strong. Well done. Nice. It's goed gedaan hoor.
Hey! 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 Yeah! Whoa!